Hey there. In this screencast, we'll look at something called media queries. So what this allows us to do is query how large a screen is, or specifically a window is, and we'll target the sizes of various elements for that screen size. So we basically ask an if-then-else question, or sorry, actually if-else. So if something is true, then we deliver particular dimensions. Otherwise, no particular dimensions are delivered. And we can ask as many questions as we like. So under the footer section in screen.css, let me just find my footer here. I think it's the last thing, which would make sense. There we are. I'm going to add something called media queries. And the first one we'll target is fairly large, 1,000 pixels. So I'm just going to quickly add all of the styles for that. Again, this is from Tanya's reading. And looks good. So if a window is 1,000 pixels or less, to the next query that is, then this is what will be delivered. We'll do something similar, but for a slightly smaller screen size, 825 pixels. And I'll throw that in there. Let's just fix that up a little bit. Looks good. These changes are made for anything less than 825 pixels. So for the next one, we're going to drop down to 750 pixels, and this may affect the nav bar. So basically, everything else looks good, and let's just quickly take a look at what we have so far. So I'm around 1,000 right now. I don't have all of my links on my nav, so we won't really necessarily see what happens when we get to 750, but there you go. You see it hops down. And let's just continue styling. The next one we'll take a look at 625. Let me just close some of these other ones. I was helping you all. All right, and down to 625. To look at later without having to refer to the reading. You can see why we did what we did right in the code. And one last little bit here for the 625 pixels is we're going to modify some of the stuff in the main section. All right. Thanks so much for watching.